Hello friends, how are you my friends? I know you all very fine because you all stay home, safe home. We enjoy our summer vacation, but always keep your mind. Study is always important. So today we are going to learn subject English topic plural. You know that plural. Plural means in Marathi word अनेक वचन. Singular means एक वचन, only one object or any one things called singular. One called singular and many called plural. So we going to learn plural. Hello friends, welcome to back my online lecture. Our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalaya Nehru Nagar Kurla. Standard 4th, subject English, and today's topic is plural. You know that how many cock here? Correct. It's only one cock, means one means singular and many called plurals. Now how many cocks there? One called cock, many called cocks. One called cock, many called cocks. Here is second picture, there are two cocks, but first one pictures only one cock. One means singular, single object, and there are two, more than twos called plural. All of you understand? All of you understood? Very good. One called singular, many called plural. Cock, cocks. Then what do you see in this picture? First of them, there is only one man. How many man? One man. One called man. But here second picture there are two, not mans. What is correct? Men. One called man, many called men. Above two, more than two persons, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, it's called men. But only one called man. All of you understood? Very good. Here is, you see in this picture, only one woman. Who is this? Woman. One singular called woman, but many called women. Second one pictures, there are two women, but only first one pictures we see only one woman. Woman, women. What see in this picture? Correct. It's a turtle. How many turtles there are? Only one turtle. But second one picture. How many turtles? Here is one and here is one. Two turtles. One called turtle. Many called turtles. What do you see in this picture? Correct. Bird. One called bird, many called birds. Means singular bird, plural birds. How many students here? Only one student. But here is students. What do you see in this picture? Many called students. STUDENT, yes. One again, wait. students. Students. What you say? Students. One call student. One call. One call. One means singular. Call student. And many call above more than. Two about two than means more than two, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 friends. In my class there are 40 students. But here is only one student. Student, students. All of you understood? Student, students. One call student, many call students. One call parrot. One call parrot. Many call parrots. What do you see in second picture? In this second pictures there are more or many parrots. So what we see? It's called plural and it's called singular. Singular means only one here parrot. So it's called one parrot called parrot, many parrot called parrots. Means parrot is singular word and plural word parrots. What's joined here? Yes. One called girl, one called girl, and many called. Here second in picture there are two girls. Girl, girls. What we say? Girl, girls. Here is only one child. How many child here? Only one child. child. One called child. But here is second picture. How many child there are? Not child. One, two. Two babies called children. One baby called child. Two babies called children. Do you understood? Very good. One means singular and two more than 2, 3, 4, 10, 20. It's called children. But here is only, I show you only two children. One called child, two or more than called children. Who is this? Boy. Only how many boys there are? Only one boy. But second picture there are 3 boys. What we say? Boys. One call boy, many call boys. So boys call plural. One call peacock. This is peacock. How many peacocks here? Only one peacock. But see the second picture, how many peacock there are? 2 peacock. How many peacock? 2 peacocks. So here peacocks. One called peacock, many called peacocks. How many flowers here? Only one flower. And second one picture there are many flowers. So here called flowers. One called flower, many called flowers. Which tree here? Correct. Coconut tree. How many trees there are? Only one tree. One called tree, many called trees. Second one picture there are many trees. So what we say? Trees. Tree, trees. How many tigers here? Only one tiger. Tiger. There are second picture more tigers. What we say? Tiger, tigers. How many chicks here? Only one chick. One called chick. Hen baby called chick. And second one picture there are 2 chicks. How many chicks? 2 chicks. Chick, chicks. What is it? Correct. Boat. How many boat here? Only one boat. But second one picture, how many boats there are? Many boats. One called boat, many called boats. What is it? Guava. How many guava? Only one guava. But here is more guavas. Guava, guavas. How many horse here? Only one horse. One called horse. Many called horses. Horse, horses. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. What is it? Correct. Tomato. How many tomatoes here? Only one tomato. How many tomatoes? Only one tomato. And many called tomatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. How to write? Tomatoes. Now join here es, not only s. How to join? Es. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Es. Next, what is it? Orange. Only one called orange. Many called oranges. What we see? Here is already E, join only S. Orange, oranges. Orange, oranges. What is it? Correct. One called sheep. And in this picture, more sheep. One called sheep, many called also sheep. One school, many called school. School, school. Sheep, sheep. Not changes in the some words. What is it? Correct. One called banana, many called bananas. Only join here S. Plural called bananas. What is it? Duck. One called duck, many called ducks. Many means here how many? Two ducks. What is it? Chair. C-H-A-I-R. One called chair. Many means here two chairs. Chair, chairs. Chair, chairs. What is it? Box. B-O-X, box. One called box. Two or many called boxes. What we join here? Es, boxes. Once again see here, box, boxes. Es, boxes. What is it? Correct. It's called mouse. One called mouse. But here is many, not mouses, not mouse. Correct word, mice. One called mouse, many called mice. Keep your mind how to change this word mouse, mice, mouse, mice. Now what is it? Leaf. One called leaf. What is it? One called leaf. Many called not leaves. Correct word, leaves. How to change? Here is write down F, leaf, but here is VES. Out the F and write down VES. LEAVES. Join VES. What join? VES. Leave. Sorry, leaf. Leaves. What? Leaf. Leaves. Leaf. Leaves. One called leaf, many called leaves. What is it? Correct. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Many called keys. Only write down S. Keys. Key. Keys. Who is this here? Correct. Lion. Lion. Lions. Lion. Lions. Who is this? Correct. Fox. Fox. Write down. Many called. Actually fox, foxen, but sometimes write down foxes. Both words are correct. What is it? Ox. One called ox, many called oxen, not oxes. How to write? Oxen. Fox, foxen. In this way, ox, oxen. Bull. What is it? Bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. Many called bulls. Bull, bulls. Now, tell me correct answer. I give you 4 options. You choose correct option. Sheep. What is the word? Sheep. Choose plural. Sheep, sheeps, sheeps, shapes. Which is the correct answer? Correct. First one number is correct answer. Sheep. One called sheep. Many call also sheep. Second one. Box. B-O-X. Box. Choose correct answer. Boxes, 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 box. None. Which is correct answer? Boxes. Box, boxes. First one answer is correct answer. Next one. One called man. Which is the correct answer? Man's, man, man's, man. Correct option is man. Man, man. Child. One called child. You now choose correct option. Children, children's, child's, child's, child. Correct option is first one, children. Ox, oxes, ox, oxen, oxens. Correct option is oxen. Leaf, leaves, lips, leaf, leafy. Correct. First one answer is correct answer. Leaf, leaves. Mouse, mouses, mouses. Mice, mices. Correct answer. Third one option is correct. Mice, mouse, mice. Wolf, wolves, wolves, wolves. None. Which is correct answer? Correct. First one answer is correct. Wolf, wolves. Wipe, wipes, wives, wipe. None. Correct. Second one option is correct answer. Wives, wipe, wives. Mango, 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 mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Which is correct answer? Third one answer is correct answer. Mango, mangoes. Thank you.